Hey, this is Greg over at DIY RV and Home. Some questions that people ask is how different people helped combat the moisture inside RVs and trailers. What we use is a Dri-Z-Air. We leave them out all times except for when we're traveling. When we get to the campsite, we put them back out. When it's at the house, we have them out. Now, I emptied these out a couple weeks ago and put new absorbent in them, and they were about half full. They've been sitting a couple months, limited in and out of the trailer, and within the last couple weeks I've been in the trailer maybe a couple times just to look at them, but it still constantly is drawing that moisture that's inside the trailer and absorbing it. Right now there is probably 1/8 of an inch of liquid on the bottom of each one of these. So even without being inside the trailer, there is moisture still coming in and it's still collecting it. Now, when you first buy them, you'll get the unit itself. I'm trying to put the little clip back on one-handed. Not working. There we go. So you'll get the unit itself and you'll get one bag of the absorbent. You can put one bag in each one. You see we have a 21-foot trailer. It does an excellent job. And then you can purchase these. I'll have a link to Amazon for these, or there is some box stores that you can find these. And these, where we've been picking them up, $1 or $2, I think, per bag. And so we just pick up 6 or whatever, keep them on hand, so as we need, we can just refill them. But this does an excellent job of, helping to combat the condensation, the moisture inside of trailers, and doesn't use any power, which is a benefit. And they're small enough that when you're traveling with them, they're not getting in the way. We just usually put them right back in the box, set them in the sink, and when we get to the campsite, we go ahead and set them back out. Usually one back here in our kitchenette area, or the dinette area, excuse me, and then one up front near the sleeping area. So just wanted to give an update and a little product review on these. I think they're excellent, and as you can see, easy to use. Yes, eliminates musty smell. We haven't had any. Prevents mold and mildew stains. Haven't found any. 360 airflow. Well, yeah, you can get it all the way around. Reusable. Yep. Made with recycled plastic. I don't know about that, but it looks like plastic, and includes a 13-ounce refillable crystals. So there you go. See you guys on the next video. Have a great day.